Good afternoon, I'm the Mainly Digger, and this video is going to be awesome. I'm reviewing a company or a package that I received for my GoPro camera. It is a company called the Newer 5-in-1. The company is called Newer. It is the 5-in-1 action camera accessory kit. There's so much stuff, and I'm going to review that. And then I, at the end of this video, have a hunt that I did yesterday. The weather right now, I wanted to do this video outside, this review outside, and use some of the gear, but I could not because it's raining. This review is going to be awesome. It's going to be great. Mainly dig out.
Before I start this video, let's talk about Operation Reboot Outdoors. Operation Reboot Outdoors is a nonprofit organization. This nonprofit organization has one mission, and it's to get veterans and law enforcement officers back out into the Maine woods, to take them hunting, fishing, just to get them out. Here's some of their merchandise. All profits from this merchandise go to their mission. Join the Reboot Nation. You can join the Operation Reboot Nation by subscribing to their channel on YouTube. The Newer 5-in-1 kit, action camera accessory kit, is pretty much awesome. All the accessories that are shown here come with the kit. It's just really cool. It's really useful. Like I said, I bought it for the floatable handle, and some of the other stuff, but it came with the wrist. So all these cool little gadgets, I like this, especially for metal detecting. I wouldn't say I like it the best, but it's a wrist, I don't know what you call it, wrist restraint or wrist, I don't know. You put the GoPro on your wrist and you can get different angles from your wrist. I mean, especially with metal detecting, closer angles of the hole, or while you're digging, what you're doing, different pictures. That's awesome. My only complaint is it's really loose. Well, it's not loose right now, but there we go. That part's really loose. And the swivel, which is right there, that's loose too, but you could probably tighten that up or work with it, whatever. So in the package, it came out with a whole bunch of different spare parts as I'm dropping them, which is always needed. Really cool. I love having spare things. So yeah, I've used a bunch of the bolts, I guess you'd call them, to already have them secured to whatever piece of gear I'm using. So that, awesome, very cool, very handy. That, and there's different types of, I like, because there's different types of gear that, like, you could put this on whatever metal detector you have and get an angle from with that, or by using that, or use it to attach other gear by jerry rigging things. I love doing things myself, or making stuff, and that's I guess that's why I love these little packages so much, because they have stuff where you can do that, you can figure it out. But different handles to get different angles on, which is awesome. Different pieces, I don't know what that's for. I'll have to read the instructions. I guess it's you put it up against something or on something and it holds it. Who knows? I'll have to read the instructions. This I liked a lot because it's not only is it another handle, but it also extends. Let's see if I can extend it with one hand. But it extends like a baton. And it goes all the way out. That's pretty cool. I just used that to do the intro. So I'm excited about this gear. This gear is awesome. And you could extend it. What I was thinking is, like, you can extend it to put it underwater or in like a well or something. Who knows? I was just thinking it's a great little gadget. So this is the chest rig. Another reason why I bought this one package. It's because of the chest rig. You can play with it, turn it around, do whatever with it, or put in an extension. I like this extension piece that came with it. It goes with all the gear. This case I already had. My wife got it for me. but it goes with all of it. It's a good mounting case, I guess. But the issue I'm having is a little issue is that setting it in these grooves right here is a little bit complicated. Not hard, it goes in there, but you gotta muscle it in a little bit. So I don't know, it's kind of ridiculous. So the extension, and this is another headset that could be used. I have two now, so you can always use more. You can always have extra. It's always good to have extra headsets. And this is the whole reason why I bought the package in general, is because this floating handle, which is awesome. I've seen they're pricey, so you know, you get the chance, buy one, buy two, but you get the chance to buy one for cheap, get it for cheap. That is cool. So this, I think they call it a gorilla stand or a spider stand with the legs that go everywhere. It's really cool, and I love it, love it, love it. I've already used it, but what I've noticed is this nut right here comes out. Like, it comes out real easy. So you'll drop it and you'll either A, not find it, or be searching for it for a good minute. It's happened. I've just done it. So here we have a clip-on system, which is really cool. I don't know what I would put it on. Probably like a window or something. Who knows? But yeah, window. I mean, put it on the window and use the app on my camera or on my phone to get a line of sight of whatever I'm trying to take a picture of. That's pretty cool. This bad boy's for your car or your car window. So yeah, you stick it on the car window or glass or anywhere. It doesn't have to be a car, but you definitely stick it on the window of something and have a GoPro view of whatever you're trying to see. So this is the case. The picture didn't really come out well, but what I was trying to show is the inside, the foam. I like my drone case that I received, the foam came in like this, but the other camera case that I received, it was actually, the foam was actually decent, and it was stuck inside, like they had put adhesive onto the case. But other than that, $25 is $25, and over 50 different accessories inside this kit. So Memorial, but it's pretty beat up. I like this place. This place is easy pickings. I know that this place, Sarkfield, barely gets used because it gets used during soccer season and a lot of people show up for soccer. But after that, that's like 1, 2, maybe 3 months at most. And no one, a couple people come here to play with their kids or, play with their dogs. On that, no one ever comes here. Plaid penny. Oh, penny from the 60s, 1969, maybe. It does say 60. I don't know if it says 69. It looks like a 9. Anyway, no idea what that is at all. No idea what it is. It looks like a chainmail. I don't know. I'll clean it up and see what it is when I get home later. Maybe. See how it goes. I spoke too soon. That's from 1994, but it's in pretty good shape. I'm surprised. Another penny, 1973. At least we're not finding, or I'm not finding, and hopefully you're watching, I'm not finding modern clad, which I like a lot. I'm used to finding beat up 90s pennies, but this is from the 70s. I'm gonna dig out. So that duck right there was in the tree. I don't know if it's hurt or not. I'm gonna let it chill. I'm not gonna touch it. It's pissed right now. Oh, second hole of the day, 1979. Awesome. First coin of the day is a 1967 quarter. That is awesome. Never thought, it's still clad, but I thought there'd be like older clad that I would find, or older or newer stuff that I would find, nothing from 1967. Anyway, that's cool.